everyone, Alina here, and today I'm gonna share with you how I create gel French with beautiful stickers of butterflies. I start with fiber application, so first I will use clear fiber gel to build my nail extension. On natural nail we do exactly the same. How you see from my video, when I open my bottle with gel, I am normally make one, let's say hole, one corner. I'm not remove completely foil, because when you completely remove foil, it start to be gel messy all over the place. So like that for me it's more comfortable. You see, I'm pick up small amount and then I'm make extension. And just remember, before you do extension, you always have to put, for any gel, you always have to put prep primer base coat before you do small extension or big extension. Amount have to be very small, and it have to be just small layer for you actually can't see a big difference. For smiley line, how I call it eggy, I will use my polygel M008 and I will use wooden stick and glaze liquid. For me it's much easier application with wooden stick than with brush. For some reason I'm getting love with the wooden stick, how funny it is, and I have million brushes for application, but I still more comfortable with wooden stick. Probably because it is have on the wood it's sucking liquid, and it's always kind of consistency where it's not too wet and not too dry, so it's give me chance actually to build easier, and my eggy will be completely perfect when I finish application. When I'm done with application and I curing for 1-2 minutes, then I'm completely remove sticky layer. As well I use Glade liquid, or you can use as well Super Shine, or you can use even sanitizer. I am recommend not use sanitizer from another brand because I don't know what they have inside. My sanitizer QD nails, it's always work. Then I file it perfectly and I shape it my eggy with the file. If it's not perfect, if you see some mistakes, you can always fix it with e-file, but in my case I use only file, and for me it's perfect. When I finish filing and I remove all the dust, then I use my gel. I use purple gel, like kind of bright, nice purple color, and I will working near to my smiley line. So if you comfortable, you can use brush from bottle. If you're not comfortable, you can use as well small brush to work nicely near to the corners. How you see it, I'm apply little bit of amount from the brush from my bottle, and then I'm finish it with my small brush application. Look at that what I have. I have builder gel with a lot of glitter. In here it's and shimmer and glitter and like kind of stars, so it's remind me of the sky and it's remind me like purple candy. I don't know, it's all mixed together. What I like about this gel, it's as well reflective to the light, so in the evening it's actually give for us reflection from the glitter, and in daytime it's extremely shiny, specifically where is the sun. So now I'm apply with a kind of thick layer near to my smiley lines where I'm added purple. And remember, actually clear I have much longer than purple, and purple it have to be more darker area near to smiley line, and rest it have to be more like blending, like ombre effect. So I'm apply kind of big layer, and then I am turning off in another side, because if I'm not gonna do it, all my gels will be running on the side. Remember, it's builder gel, it's not mousse gel, so it's not holding layer. You have to always be tricky, and for make sure I have everywhere my gel and I don't have to apply again, I apply only once. After I move to another side, turning off my nail, and I will leave it on the UV light for 1-2 minutes to get drying. When gel is dry, I'm remove again sticky layer. If I'm not remove sticky layer, actually it's damage my file and it's make everything sticky. That's why I always remove sticky layer before I file it. So when I'm remove sticky layer, I am shape it nicely in different sides. So I start from the sides, and after I'm gonna shape it on top. What it's be careful if you see it your nail it's too little gel and you need to add it more. Don't remove sticky layer. First add it one more layer, cure it, and after you remove sticky layer. After I'm finished file it, I will buff. So buff I am little bit on the sides to remove all the scratches from my file. And when I finish that, I will use my foil gel. But before that, remember, remove all the dust correctly and everything out. Otherwise, when you're gonna use sticky gel or you use stickers, it will be not stick good. I use nice bright stickers, it's my nice favorite butterflies, it's always in fashion, and I will use tweezer to pick up my stickers from the palette. Plus I use my foil gel. I make sure I'm apply before I'm apply stickers, because like that I'm 100% sure that my client not will have any lifting. When I finish, I will put my primer on the side where you can see clear from the stickers. And then I seal it with base coat. I like to seal it with base coat. Why? Because it is actually have kind of layer. From the sticker you can feel it sticker, but if you are apply base coat first and after top coat, like that you actually not feel it. And even if you feel little bit it's something not right, you can wipe it sticky layer from the base coat, buff it little bit, and then you put top coat, and like that you make sure it's not happen. But if you are straight away apply top coat, sometimes we have a like kind of bumpy effect, then we have to file it and put it again top coat. It's more complicated. Plus top coat on top of top coat, it will be as well problem with lifting. Voila, my nail set's done. So now I'm applied top coat, and you can see how nice and shiny it is, plus it is unique, and you know now how I'm do it normally French. You can use any color or any stickers. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to support me with like and comment what you like to see next in my video. See you soon!